So let's continue with the topic photochemical reaction and chemical reaction, how these both are correlated to each other. So we have discussed that in photochemical reaction assimilatory power formation takes place. So let's start. Assimilatory power, how the assimilatory power is going to form with the help of sunlight, that is a photon दिखा रही हूँ मैं यहाँ, and with the help of sunlight NADPH plus ATP formation takes place, and these both are known as the assimilatory power, right? It is the part of photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction. Now what happened in the next step? By using this assimilatory power, carbon dioxide is going to reduce into the glucose molecule or starch, you can say. So by using this assimilatory power, this chemical reaction takes place. That's why this process involved in the chemical reaction. So how the photochemical as well as chemical reactions takes place, okay, and how they are correlated to each other. Now what we will have to discuss in this chapter, that these photochemical as well as chemical reaction takes place by the help of photosystem or pigment system. So what are photosystem and pigment system, that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Before that, you will have to know that in photosynthesis process there are two kind of photosystem involved, that is the photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss that what do you mean by the photosystem and what are the elements that form the photosystem. So I am going to start the photosystem or pigment system. What is photosystem or pigment system? Photosystem, or you can say pigment system. So when we are talking about the photosystem and pigment system, they are made up of two elements, that are pigments as well as proteins. So many proteins combine together to the different kind of pigments and form the photosystem. So proteins plus pigments combine together and form the photosystems. So there are various kind of pigments that you will study in this chapter. For example, a common pigment that we all are aware are the chlorophyll, and there are various kind of chlorophyll found, chlorophyll A, B, C, D, E, but the main chlorophyll is chlorophyll A. Beside chlorophyll A, xanthophyll, carotenoids, okay, and phyloquinone, phytosinin, okay, etc. So there are so many pigments found that involve in the pigment system, and they combine with the protein and form the photosystem or pigment system. So when we are talking about the pigment system, it consists of two parts. So what are those parts of the pigment system? The first part is pigment system reaction center. The first part is pigment system reaction center, okay, and the second part is Antony complex. Antony complex, that is also known as LHC, light harvesting complex. The full form of it is light harvesting complex. So pigment system reaction center, what is it? पहली चीज, pigment system का center जो बनाता है, that is the chlorophyll A. You can say it is the main pigment that is going to participate in the photosystem. So chlorophyll A is going to form the reaction center of the pigment system, and at the reaction center photooxidation takes place. So where the photooxidation takes place? At the reaction center. Photooxidation process takes place. Now what are the light harvesting complex? Other pigments that combine with the protein are known as the accessory pigments that help the chlorophyll A in the absorption of the sunlight. So other pigments are known as the light harvesting complex. So all the accessory pigments, plus proteins are known as the light harvesting complex. And what is the function of light harvesting complex? They are also going to absorb the sunlight and transfer the sunlight at the reaction center where the photooxidation takes place. So let's discuss with the help of diagram that what is the structure of the photosystem or pigment system. So now I am going to draw a diagram so that you come to have clear idea about the photosystem or pigment system. So I have told you that chlorophyll A is going to make the reaction center. So first of all, I am going to draw the center of the pigment system that consists of chlorophyll A, and around the chlorophyll A are all pigments found like this. So many pigments found, and these all pigments combined with the chlorophyll A form the light harvesting complex. Okay. So what happened? Few sunlight is directly absorbed by the chlorophyll A, and some sunlight is absorbed by other pigments, and they are going to transfer up to the reaction center just like it. So chlorophyll A is the primary electron acceptor. It is known as the primary electron acceptor. Why it is known as the primary electron acceptor, that we will discuss later. So when we are talking about the फोटो सिस्टम, मैंने आपको बताया दो फोटो सिस्टम पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे लाइट रिएक्शन में, एक फोटो सिस्टम 1 और दूसरा फोटो सिस्टम 2. ठीक है, तो फोटो सिस्टम 1 और फोटो सिस्टम 2 में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? उनका जो रिएक्शन सेंटर है उसमें डिफरेंस होता है. रिएक्शन सेंटर डिफरेंट होते हैं, और रिएक्शन सेंटर में क्या डिफरेंस होता है दैट ऑल्सो वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. ठीक है, यहाँ मैंने केवल आपको बताया फोटो सिस्टम का किस तरह से होता है. रिएक्शन सेंटर क्लोरोफिल ए बनाता है, रिमेनिंग ऑल पिगमेंट सराउंडेड द क्लोरोफिल ए दैट ऑल कंबाइन टुगेदर एंड फॉर्म द लाइट हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स, और यू कैन से एंटीनी कॉम्प्लेक्स. लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द लाइट रिएक्शन, बिकॉज फोटो सिस्टम और पिगमेंट सिस्टम आर द पार्ट ऑफ लाइट रिएक्शन ओनली. So when we are talking about the light reaction, तो light reaction किसका पार्ट है? फोटोकेमिकल फेज का पार्ट है. ठीक है, अभी मैंने आपको फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन और केमिकल रिएक्शन बताई थी. तो when we are talking about the light reaction, so light reaction is the part of, it is the part of photochemical phase या photochemical reaction. ओके, और इसमें क्या क्या स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं? सो व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व इन द लाइट रिएक्शन? सो इट इंक्लूड्स, जो हमने 10th में पढ़ा था. सबसे पहले क्या होता है? 10th में हमने पढ़ा था लाइट एब्जॉर्प्शन. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द लाइट एब्जॉर्प्शन, और लाइट एब्जॉर्प्शन के बाद फिर क्या होता था? स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. जैसे ही लाइट एब्जॉर्ब होगा, स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के स्प्लिट होने के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या आती है? रिलीजिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. मैंने आपको बताया था ऑक्सीजन हमेशा वाटर मॉलिक्यूल से रिलीज होती है. सो अगेन नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज रिलीजिंग ऑफ O2 और ऑक्सीजन. राइट, आफ्टर रिलीजिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन फाइनली व्हाट हैपेंड? एसिमिलेटरी फॉर्मेशन पावर टेक्स प्लेस. सो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एसिमिलेटरी पावर, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एसिमिलेटरी पावर, एसिमिलेटरी पावर दैट इज NADPH प्लस ATP आप लोग लिख लेंगे. तो लाइट एब्जॉर्प्शन का प्रोसेस जब लाइट रिएक्शन में हो रहा है, तो फोटो सिस्टम और पिगमेंट सिस्टम भी कहाँ यूज होंगे? इन द लाइट रिएक्शन ओनली. राइट, इसके बाद फिर अब हमें क्या पढ़ना है? ये जो फोटो सिस्टम और पिगमेंट सिस्टम है, सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज बोथ? फोटो सिस्टम 1 और फोटो सिस्टम 2 में क्या डिफरेंस है, या आप कह सकते हो पिगमेंट सिस्टम 1 और पिगमेंट सिस्टम 2 में क्या डिफरेंस है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.